Hey gamers, ready to level up our understanding of how AI is changing the game, and I mean that literally. Today, we're diving deep into the future of gaming, and let me tell you, things are about to get seriously exciting. We've got three incredible sources to unpack today, starting with Game Tyrant, then we'll jump into some mind-blowing stuff from Tencent. We've got this project called GameGen-O that's going to blow your mind. And to wrap things up, Analytics Insight has rounded up some seriously cool AI tools that every gamer should know about. So get ready, because we're not just talking about cooler graphics or faster processing. This is about AI transforming the entire gaming experience, from how games are made to how we play them. And stick with us, because we're going to make sure you understand why this matters to you, even if you've never coded a single line in your life. Okay, so that Game Tyrant article really got me fired up with this one concept. You get ready for it: AI revolutionizing how games are made. Andy played.
Yeah, it's pretty wild when you think about it. Like, for so long, games have been these kind of static experiences, right? You follow a set path, the difficulty is kind of set in stone, and the characters, well, let's just say they haven't exactly been winning any Oscars for their performances.
Yeah, not exactly master classes in acting.
But AI is like giving game developers this magic wand. It can change everything.
It's true, right? No more one-size-fits-all gameplay. Imagine a game that adapts to how you play. Like, it adjusts the difficulty to match your skills, tailors the story based on the choices you make in the game.
It's like those choose-your-own-adventure books we used to love as kids, but on a whole other level. We're talking about AI creating a unique experience just for you as you're playing. And the characters, oh man, don't even get me started.
The characters, yeah.
Remember how blown away everyone was by the NPCs in The Last of Us Part 2? That level of realism, that feeling of actually interacting with another intelligence.
It was incredible.
That's the future that AI is bringing to gaming.
And we're already seeing little bits of it popping up, right?
Yeah.
I mean, even something like online poker is using AI to personalize your experience. Algorithms analyzing your play style to, like, give you custom tutorials or recommend games that perfectly match your skill level. I don't know about you, but just imagine being able to just lose yourself in a game world that actually responds to you on that level.
It's going to be amazing.
It's pretty mind-blowing.
It really is. And speaking of mind-blowing, let's talk about the tech that has the potential to make all of this happen.
Yes. This is where things get really, really wild. Tencent, remember them?
Yeah.
They announced this project called GameGen-O. And even for someone like me who just loves to play games, this was a huge whoa moment.
Oh, yeah.
Like, this is next level stuff.
Absolutely. Just try to wrap your head around this. You feed GameGen-O a bunch of images and videos, like concept art, maybe some photos of real-world landscapes, whatever sparks your imagination. And
Right.
the AI takes that raw inspiration and creates a massive, fully realized, ready-to-play open world.
Oh, so we're not just talking about like a single level or a small map. We're talking like entire continents, sprawling cities, all generated by AI.
Exactly. And it's not just about size either. GameGen-O creates these worlds with insane detail. Remember how the team behind God of War actually traveled to Iceland? Like, they physically went there to capture the look and feel of that Nordic landscape for the game?
Yeah, that always blew my mind.
Well, GameGen-O could make those expensive, time-consuming data-gathering trips a thing of the past. It's like having an entire team of world builders at your fingertips, all powered by AI, and this is all happening right now, not in some distant future.
It's like we're on the verge of this whole new era of game development. And speaking of which, it wasn't just GameGen-O that really caught my eye in these articles we're looking at. That Analytics Insight article, it was basically like a buffet of awesome AI tools.
Oh, absolutely. There's so much happening right now in the AI game development world. It's honestly incredible.
It's really cool to see. So of all the tools that they talked about in that article, which ones really stood out to you? Like, if you were a listener, right, hearing about all this for the first time, which ones would make your jaw drop?
Well, I think from a gamer's perspective scenario, that's a game changer.
Okay, yeah, tell me more.
So imagine this. You need a specific character for your game or a specific environment, but you can't quite figure out how to describe it, or you just can't find an artist who gets what you're going for.
Ugh. Yes, I've been there. It's so frustrating.
Right. So with Scenario, you don't need to be an artist yourself. You literally just feed the AI examples of art styles that you like.
Wow.
And it'll create original stuff in that style just for you.
That's incredible.
It's like you have a personal concept artist on call 24/7.
That's amazing. So we've got AI artists, basically. And what about for those of us who always wanted to, like, build our own game worlds?
Well, then you got to check out Promethean AI.
Okay.
This tool is like pure magic. It can build entire 3D environments from text descriptions.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah. Imagine typing in a cyberpunk city drenched in neon rain with flying cars weaving between skyscrapers.
Okay.
And boom, Promethean AI generates that environment like in minutes.
That's bonkers. Okay, so we've got AI artists, we've got AI world builders. What else is there?
Well, if you've ever wanted your own AI dungeon master, look no further than Ludo.ai.
Oh.
This AI learns how you play, and it adjusts the game as you're going, making it more challenging, less challenging, whatever keeps you engaged. You know, creating new challenges, keeping things fresh and exciting. It's like having a game master who knows exactly how to keep you on the edge of your seat.
That's officially the coolest thing I've heard all week.
And here's the best part. All of these tools, they're not just for big game studios with tons of money and resources.
Right.
They're getting easier and easier to use, which means aspiring developers, anybody out there, they can get their hands on these tools and start creating.
So we're talking about a future where anyone with a good idea and like the right AI tools could create the next Fortnite or the next Minecraft.
You got it. And that's incredible. It's like the floodgates of game development are about to open and nobody knows what's going to come out.
It's such an exciting time to be a gamer for sure. Okay, so as we wrap things up here, what are the biggest takeaways you want our listeners to walk away with today?
It really comes down to this. AI is going to change everything about how we experience and create video games. We're talking hyper-personalized adventures, worlds that feel truly alive, and tools that let anyone become a game developer. It's a very, very cool time to be into gaming, that's for sure.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Yeah.
It really feels like we're on the brink of something truly revolutionary. A huge thank you to our incredible expert for walking us through all of this. It's been amazing. And to you, our listeners, thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the future of gaming. Until next time, keep playing.